Welcome to GC Cars, and my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2022 Ford Maverick Lariat. In this highway POV test drive, we're going to test the adaptive cruise control, well, no, we don't have adaptive cruise control, we're going to test the assist, and we have only the, we only have a cruise control, that's it, we don't have anything else, because we don't have a package, but we're going to talk about that, and we're also going to try to test the handling here. Let's see if that is possible. But other than that, if you want to hear all my thoughts about this Ford Maverick, make sure to click on the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the exterior, the interior, we drive it and we sum it all up and compare it to the Hyundai Santa Cruz. So yeah, that's in the top right hand corner. Other than that, let's try and start it off with the handling test. Not gonna go all too fast here just because well, it's not a sporty car and we have to watch out that we leave a gap up front. Probably gonna get him pretty quick here. Already got a bit of understeer there. Yep, more understeer, a lot of body roll, very vague steering. So it doesn't really tell us much of what's going on. It's a little harder to push, especially the way we pushed it. Oh, but it's alright, it's alright, it's not a car you expect to handle really fantastically, so during daily driving, I can tell you this is totally adequate. Anyhow, yeah, like I said, we have cruise control, which is very unspectacular. So let's put it up to the speed. As you can see, it is not adaptive. So let's brake and turn it back off. Great, those were all the assists. Because even though this is the Lariat, the top spec, the top trim of the Ford Maverick, we don't have any assists aside. Well, we don't really have any assists, because they are locked behind two packages you can get. You can either get the Ford Co-Pilot 360 package, I think that's what it's called, which gives you a good amount of like additional stuff, or you can go for the Lariat Luxury Package, which is very expensive, $3,750 US, I think, and 47 Canadian. So yeah, quite a bit of money for that, but that gives you a whole lot of features, including all the assist features you want: lane keep assist, evasive steering, emergency braking, lane centering assist, even adaptive cruise control. That's all locked behind this big package. So that's why this Maverick here really doesn't have a lot. But that's all right. Anyhow, I want to give you a chance to not only hear, not only to see how it is to drive it out of the first person, but also give you a chance to hear it. I'm a little confused right now, sorry. And I'm just gonna be quiet so you can hear how this Maverick is on the highway. Can do a bit of a test to see how quickly she downshifts. So we're in normal mode, and let's say there's a gap or anything we need to go for. Yeah, downshifts pretty quickly and gets us up to speed. Of course, we don't have like the most power out of here, 250 horsepower, 277 pound-feet of torque. So the Santa Cruz will be a little quicker. But I'm going more in depth on that in the full review, so just check that out if you want to buy a Maverick or Santa Cruz and want to kind of hear my thoughts on it. The turbos are definitely very audible. So as soon as I give it a little more gas, you can hear the turbo spool up. You probably don't hear it on the video, unfortunately, but I can very audibly hear the turbo spool up whenever I give it gas and back off, they spool down. It's not like disturbing noise, just notice that. yeah, but that will conclude our highway POV test drive. Always short and concise, these ones. I got 2 more POV test drives, one at night where we drive this Maverick out in the countryside and test its LED headlights and the high beams and the high beam assist, and one in the city where we kind of test the smoothness of the drivetrain, go through a few different drive modes and see how that works. But like I said, for all my thoughts, click on the review, which should be somewhere on your screen right now. Also, if you liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because we upload videos almost every single week about all sorts of cars. So yeah, if you liked it, make sure to subscribe to get more content for literally free. So yeah, win-win. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.